Make heart with pen tool Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click the Windows Start icon on your keyboard and type Google Chrome into the search field to locate the browser application. Open Google Chrome and wait for it to load completely on your device. After the browser is ready, click inside the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter. From the search results, select the official Figma website and verify that you're already signed into your Figma account. Once your account is loaded, wait for the Figma dashboard to appear on your screen. To make a heart with the pen tool in Figma, create a new file by clicking the plus design button. The editing page of your project will then open, displaying a blank canvas where you can begin drawing. Locate the pen tool in the bottom toolbar and click it to activate the tool. Alternatively, you can press the P key on your keyboard to enable the pen tool instantly. When your cursor changes to the pen tool icon, move it to the location on the canvas where you want to begin drawing the heart shape. Click and drag your cursor to create the first curve segment. At the point where the curve should change direction, click again to create a new anchor point. Continue placing additional points around the canvas while shaping the outline of a heart. Keep repeating this process until the path returns to the original starting point, forming a complete heart shape with sharp and geometric edges. Once the basic outline is complete, switch to the Bend tool by selecting Bend from the available editing options. Click on each sharp corner that should become rounded and curved. Apply the bend effect to all appropriate corners of the heart, while leaving the top center indentation and the bottom point untouched so the heart retains its recognizable shape. After the heart shape is finished, enhance its appearance by adding a red gradient fill. Open the fill settings, select a gradient option, and choose shades of red that blend well together.